How to change your Facebook username. In this video, I'll show you how to change the username on your Facebook profile. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more useful guides. To begin, open the Facebook app on your device. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top corner of the screen. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Once you're in the Settings section, select Account Center. At the top of the page, tap Profiles, then choose Personal Details. Next, select your Facebook profile. From there, tap Username. You'll see your current username displayed on the screen. Simply edit it and enter the new username you'd like to use. If you see a green check mark, it means the username is available. After choosing your new username, tap Done at the bottom of the screen to save your changes. Your Facebook username will then be updated successfully. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful content.